Hi, I'm Pansy Williamson and my husband Marvin Williamson. We purchased solar from Emerald Sun, and it's been so wonderful since we got it. Our bill, the highest bill I can think of, it's almost $300 that we had before, and since we purchased the solar, we had as low as a negative, that negative we were able to pay about 3 months, cover 3 months bill. So we didn't have to pay anything out of pocket. Some of our bills are now zero, some of them are maybe $2 and $16, as low as that. We use it for pool and everything, and it's still low. Some people do not have a pool, do not have some of the things that we use, and theirs are still so much higher. So we appreciate this. We are enjoying it, thank God.